Hey guys, this is Joshua Stern with Keller Williams Real Estate and the Utah Roost High Performance Coaching Group. I've had a lot of buyers ask me over the years whether or not they should get a home inspection and kind of what it does. And I'm going to say, first of all, I've bought dozens and dozens of homes, and I've never purchased a home where I didn't have a home inspection. Even a home that I was going to flip, for instance, I would have it inspected. And that way I know what to expect. Now here's the deal with home inspections, right? The home inspector is going to go through the property with a fine-nit comb, all of the major systems, everything in that home. They're going to look at it through a magnifying glass, and they usually come up with a good Bible-sized list of honeydews. Those aren't necessarily our focus. Our focus is going to be any of the major deferred maintenance, which real estate agents can't identify. Whether or not there may be some systems failures, again, real estate agents don't know. And more importantly, if there are going to be safety concerns for you and your family. This is what an inspection will uncover. They can also do radon, they can do mold, and they can do meth. Those are all very important.